I, i, i.
Yay! Yan na naman si Axel. Magsusukat ng... Ano sukatin mo?
Soldier!
Soldier. Ito si military. Ayan.
Not a soldier.
Military costume.
Not a soldier.
Soldier. Ayan, sukatin ni Axel. Soldier.
Soldier. What? Sometimes yung soldier doing like this.
Oh. Halika na dito.
Ocean item just going. Papa, something's kuwang.
Kulang. Yan muna.
Yeah. What's
Ito yung
Papa, wait.
pants.
See kuwang.
Ayan yung pantalon.
Someone just thinks it's kuwang.
Sakto lang yan. Walang kulang. O, dali na.
Wait. This one is not
Ayan, dyan din. O, dali. Shot na. May sizes to May size tong sukat ni Axel. Small, medium, large lang ang sukat nito. Small, medium, large.
Payong girl no hat.
Small tong suot niya.
Payong girl no hat.
Oh. Ito yung
I just seen the boy is a kuwang.
damit.
Kaping just kuwang nandun.
Ha?
Kaping nandito kuwang.
Yan yung damit
Wait.
Military to military.
Okay, meron. Pa,
Oh.
ba't man nakakita sumuntan dito?
Oh, tingin ka nga muna doon. Paano tayo mata?
You like me?
Yes.
And you like me?
Rinig kita. Ayan ating
Pa!
military.
Maybe somebody just cut this off. But nobody just cut it.
Military kid costume. Ayan, ito yung sombrero. Yan, may sunglass din. Tapos may ito, radio.
My knife!
May belt din. Plastic lang tong knife niya. Laruan lang to, plastic. Ayan.
Santiago, just kata you also.
Ayan, ating military kids costume. Ayan, oh.
Yung belt we need to put it here na.
Huwag mo yung belt.
Yeah.
Oh, kasama yung belt dyan. Huwag mo na. Masikip naman na yung ano. Tingin ka, sir. Hi, sir. Sir.
Wood.
Tingin ka muna, sir.
Wait. To my brother.
Ayan, ating soldier military kids costume. Ayan siya. Ay damit, pants, sombrero, may sunglass,
My brother.
may radyo, may belt,
My knife.
kutsilyo. Laruan lang yan O, knife. Plastic lang to, plastic. Plastic lang to plastic. Laruan lang. Ayan ating military kid costume.
Doing like this.
Yan ating military kid costume. Ayan. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.